how to create a website or a blog using WordPress. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a WordPress website or a blog. It's very good. It's going to be very easy and super easy to follow. So as you can see on the screen right now, this is a website or a blog that I just created using WordPress. So I thought about it, and I want to show you guys exactly how I was able to do this stuff and how you can create a WordPress website or a blog for yourself. Now this is very helpful if you want to make money online. So this is another way to make money online. So okay, without wasting much of your time, we're going to take this stuff in 5 steps, and I'm going to give you some bonus tips at the end of the video. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end, because it's a complete tutorial that will show you exactly how to create a website or a blog using WordPress. Okay, so guys, my name is Kingsley from Obinnar.com. If you don't know me, you know me now. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on this awesome channel. So okay, without wasting your time, let's dive straight to what we have right now. So the first thing we need to do in creating a WordPress website or a blog is to get a domain name. Okay, so guys, I have links in the description below that will give you best deals and offer on the domain name and everything that I'm going to mention here. So this is Namecheap. Okay, if you click on the link in the description below, you're going to be brought straight to this interface or this dashboard. So this is where you're going to search for your domain name. So I usually use Namecheap because it's super easy and super cheap to buy. So that's why I also leave a link in the description, like I said, that will give you great deals and offer, and that's an affiliate link. So if you buy, I'll earn a small commission. Okay, so you're going to type in the name of your website or the name you want to buy. Okay, so you need this domain name. So I just type this is a random stuff and just click .com and search for it. Okay, so it's going to search to see if it's available or not. So if it's available, we're going to buy it, and if it's not available, we're going to look for another domain name. So that's the name of our website. Okay, so you want to make sure you sort this out before you proceed. As you can see, this name is available, and we can click add to cart now and start making the procedures and start buying it. So I already bought the domain name I want to use in this video tutorial, but this is very easy to buy. Just click on it, buy it, follow the process. It's very easy. And after buying it, the next thing we have on the list right now is to also get hosting. Okay, so domain name and hosting, these are very important stuff to get if you want to create your website or your blog using WordPress. Okay, so we saw that the domain name right now. The next thing we need to buy is hosting, and I normally use Kingsley to get my hosting. So this is where I host almost all my sites. Okay, so it's loading up right now. So this is Kingsley, as you can see right here on the screen. This is web hosting, very affordable, and their quality is top notch. Okay, so and say starts as $1. So what we want to do is scroll down to this page and come and click here, cPanel hosting. So once we click on it, it's going to bring out several plans and several packages to choose from. Okay, so we're going to, as you can see on the screen right now, so this is the several plans we have. So you can start with basic, you can start with pro, or you can start with master, whichever one suits you, but I normally start with basic. Okay, so once your site grows, you can then upgrade as you want. So all you need to do is to click on order now, and it's going to take you to a process. All you just need to do is to follow the process. Okay, as you can see right here, you can choose how long you want this domain to be. So I normally choose it as 1 year. So domain, so this, you are going to enter the domain name you've bought from Namecheap here. Make sure to enter the domain name correctly, because if you don't do that, it's not going to work, it's not going to integrate. So make sure you enter the domain name, and make sure you avoid the domain name before buying the hosting. Okay, so you need to enter the domain name exactly the way you've bought it. Okay, and click continue. So it's going to ask you to create an account if you don't have an account, and you make payment. So after payment, they are going to integrate this website for you. So they're going to send you instructions on how you can link the domain name and the hosting, so that two of them will propagate, and they will give you whatever result you want. Even if you don't know how to do it, all you need to do is to reach out to them via the ticket inside your account dashboard. They are going to help you to do it. And if you want me to do a separate video on that, because I don't want to dive straight to that to that now. If you want me to do a separate video on that, all you need to do is tell me in the comment section and I'll consider making the video for you. Okay, so reach out to them, or if you can do it, you do it. But if you can't do it, reach out to them via the support ticket in your dashboard, and they will help you to link your domain name and your hosting, and you're going to allow it for some time to propagate. Now after propagating, Kingslink is going to provide you with the cPanel of your hosting. That is, the cPanel is what you can control your hosting package with. Okay, so I already bought mine and integrated everything, and this is the cPanel of the one I bought. Okay, so this is where I want you to continue from, and you will learn how to create a WordPress website or a blog super easy and super fast. Okay, so all we need to do, once you're inside the cPanel, you've gotten the login, because they're going to send you the login and everything via your email. So make sure to provide a working email. Okay, so after you've been given and you've logged in your cPanel, what we need to do right now is to click on WordPress. Okay, so we want to install WordPress on our cPanel. As you click on it, you're going to see this WordPress by Stephakolos. Okay, just click on it, and it's going to bring you to the process of installing WordPress. So it's very easy and very super fantastic to follow. So just click on install now, and you're going to be brought straight to this place, and you start the installation process. So the first thing I normally do is to remove this directory, this WP, and make sure it's empty here, and make sure the domain name you are using is what is displaying here. And then after that, you want to make sure it's on the latest version of the WordPress. As you can see, WordPress 8.1 as of now. So just click on it and scroll down. Then this is another important place, site name. This is where you're going to write the name of the site. So I could just call this demo site. Okay, and the description, just enter the description of the website. So I can just say this is a demo site. So you want to enter the description of your website. So the admin login, this is what you're going to log in your WordPress with. Do not share this information with anybody except the person is going to help you work on your website. Okay, so I'll leave my admin login as admin, and then the password I'll add 1230 to it, and this will be my admin username and my admin password. So the email address, you want to enter the email address you want your WordPress website or blog to be associated with. Now be careful, make sure the email address is functional, because this is where you're going to send you a link if you maybe in any case you forget your password or something. So enter a working email address here. So I'll just enter any email address. Okay, so I'll just leave it right now, and I'll scroll down. Okay, so you scroll down. So basically we've done all the necessary stuff, so you don't need to touch any other thing. Just follow what I've done. Scroll down and click install. Okay, so what it's going to do is going to install WordPress on our cPanel, and once WordPress is installed, then most of the job is done. All we need to do is to continue with the other processes by installing a theme, customizing it to our liking, then start creating our posts. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do all this stuff. So you just need to follow me and we grab. So this is it exactly. WordPress has been installed on our website. So if I go to the website right now, open link in a new tab, you're going to see that this is it. This is the WordPress. Okay, it's installed on our website already. So this is WordPress demo. There's nothing here. This is probably how yours is going to be, except WordPress changes its theme. They normally change the theme every year. Okay, so this is it. WordPress, there's nothing here anymore. So the next place we want to log in now is the admin backend. Now to log into the admin backend, all we need to do is to type the name of the website. So type the name of the website. Okay, then /wp-admin. Okay, remember this, the name of the website /wp-admin. Okay, after adding that, the next thing we need to do is to key enter. So it's going to ask us to enter our login credentials so that we can be able to log in the website. Okay, So this is where you're going to enter those login credentials you use when you're setting up your website. So remember, our login credentials is admin and the password is pass1230. So we just click login. So it's going to log us in the back end of the website. Now this is super very important because that is where we are going to be doing all the magic. So that's where we are going to be creating and customizing our website. Okay, so yeah, this is it exactly. This is the back end of our WordPress website. As you can see how super easy it is to create a WordPress website. In less than few minutes we have our website running. So, and it's running on the best platform for me. So this is WordPress website. So like I said, this is the site. It's not looking very good. So what we need to do is to install a theme. Okay, so install a theme. All you need to do to install a theme is hover on appearance, go to theme. Okay, you're going to see different themes. Okay, so just click on add new. So once you click on add new, you can then search for a good theme. So there are so many themes you can use for your WordPress website. Now I'm going to talk about those themes in another video. I'm going to show you the different themes you can use on your WordPress website and ones to use and the ones to avoid. So once you're here, the next thing you want to do right now is to make sure you're using a good theme. So right now we're going to choose a good theme. So the name of the theme that I think is okay, I'm going to talk about theme on a separate video. So themes are very important because that's what is going to determine the kind of website or the kind of blog exactly you're creating. So now I'm just going to install a basic blog theme on the WordPress website that we just created. So I'm going to type in, the name of the theme is Fairly Blog. Okay, so it's Fairly Blog. Okay, it's searching right now. It's searching. It's searching. Okay, let me search for it again. Fairly Blog. Okay, so it's searching for the theme right now. No, maybe not exactly. Okay, so yeah, so this is exactly, this is the theme, Fairly Blog, FAIRYBLOG. So I already installed and activated it. So all you need to do, once you get it, all you need to do is to click install and then activate it. Okay, so once you click install and activate it, it's going to appear here. So it's going to change the look of your website. Okay, so like I said, all you need to, so for example, let's say we want this fairly light. All we need to do is to click install, and you see it's installing right now. Then after installation, it's going to ask us to activate, and I can just activate this theme now. So but I don't want to activate it. I like the Fairly Blog or we have there already. So all we need to do right now is to go to the website, okay, and see how it looks right now after installing the theme. So just go to the website or the blog and see how it looks like. As you can see, it's changed. This is it. It's looking better than before. Okay, so we just need to customize this blog or this blog right now so that it's going to look super professional. Now to customize it is super easy. It's not it's not really hard. So okay, so all we need to do is to continue customizing it. So to customize this blog right now, we need to use this customizer we have on WordPress here. Let me show you. Okay, this is it, customize. So we just need to click on customize. Then it will bring a dashboard or an angle where we can start customizing every single section of this blog, which is very easy to do and so simple to follow. So we're going to customize it right now. As you can see, it's loading up. So these are the options available. As you can see here, it's load up. So if you want to change the site logo, we just need to click on this pencil icon here and come down here and click select icon. Okay, so it's going to open up this file. We say no, we want to upload our logo. Just click on files and upload the logo you've created. So right now I don't have any logo, but I think I'll use this one just for a demo, so that to show you how it's going to look like. So I'm just going to use it like this. So I'm going to use it like this and try to upload it on the website. So it's uploaded, but it didn't change. So what we need to do right now is to turn off this stuff, this display, and scroll down here and click logo. Okay, so what we uploaded was the favicon icon, so we just need to click on upload now again. So it's going to upload this logo again. So as you can see, there it is. So you can make sure to crop this logo to fit the size. Okay, so I'm not going to do that. If I had a good logo, I would have just uploaded it. Now, one of the bonus tips I want to show you guys is how to create a logo for free, even if you are not a designer. Now, the website that I use to do that is Canva. Okay, it's called canva.com. So you just need to come to canva.com, sign up, and start creating your designs. So this Canva has really helped me do a lot of stuff, create a lot of designs, even when I don't know how to design anything. Okay, so you can just come to Canva here and sign up and start creating your design. So I created all this stuff with Canva. This is not literally a logo, I just uploaded it to show you exactly how to change your logo. So make sure to change your logo and create the logo that's of perfect size. And you can see, you can decide to crop or change this image or this logo. So let me try to change it and try to copy and make sure it fits. Okay, so right now let me try crop it. So I could just say crop it like this, and it's going to reduce. Yeah, so let's say this is the logo actually. So these are the pages, so you can create pages as you want. Now, one thing again, as you're designing or as you're editing this stuff, you need to save, you need to be making it, you need to be saving it. So once you edit it and you like it, just click on publish, so that it's going to save, and you're not going to return back to it anymore. So it's going to save. Okay, so if once you make changes, make sure to hit the publish section. Okay, so once that is done, the next thing we want to do is to add pages. Okay, so you can add pages from the back end of the Wordpress website. That I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So we are going to leave all this stuff like this. So now let's go back to our dashboard. Okay, so this is our dashboard right now. So what we need to do right now is to go to pages and click on all pages. So if you want to add any page you want, as you can see, this is the sample page we have then. So I can decide to delete it, or I can decide to leave it. So I'm going to leave it. I'm going to add another page. Just click on add new, and you can add as many pages as you want. Okay, so I'm going to add just one more page. As you can see, we say okay, we should add it. So it's kind of loading up right now. Okay, so I don't need all this stuff, thank you. So just give the page a name. I can say this is the about us page, and I could just write anything I want to write here, but I'm not going to write, so I'm going to leave it, and I'll hit publish. So it's publishing right now. Okay, so once it's done, you can add as many pages as you want. Okay, so after adding pages, the next thing we need to do is to start creating our content, which is start posting articles. So you can view the page if you want, but I'm not going to view it. I'm going to show you that later on. So as you can see, if I try to refresh this stuff right now, you're going to see that the pages, or the page you just added, as reflected. As you can see, this is the about us page just added. So you can add as many pages as you want. So the next important thing to do right now is to come to settings, click on permalink. So we need to set the permalink so that it's going to display page name. Now if you don't know what permalink is actually the link to every page or to every post on your website. So you want to display it in such a way that it's very easy to understand. Now if I leave it as default, it's going to show the day and the name, which is not so good. But you just want to permalink to just show your post name. That means www.yoursite.com/about us, and it's going to take them to the about us section or to any page. So you want to set the permalink to post name and click save. Now once that is done, we are basically rounding up everything. Okay, so the next important thing to do right now is to come to appearance. After coming to appearance, we click on menu. So we want to set the menu. So we want to make sure the menu is working properly, is set up properly. So probably waiting for it to load up right now. Now this is the menu. Okay, so the menu, this is exactly what you want to edit right now. So you can create as many menu as you want. So just click on create menu, and I clicked on menu 1. I want to create a menu. So this is menu 1. So you can add as many pages as you want. So I want to add this about us page and add this sample page as well to the menu. So as you can see, once I click on add to menu, it's going to display at the right hand side, and once it displays, we can now make it live on our website. So you can add as many menu as you want, but just bear in mind that your menu should be easy and not so much, so that so that people can understand exactly what it is. So I can add a custom link. I can just call this link test. I can just say home, and the link will be the name of our website. So I can just paste the link here. Okay, so once anybody click it, it's going to take them to our website. So just add the link and try to arrange the menu the way we want it. So I want this one to be up, so all I need to do is to drag it. So I can drag it to any position I want. As you can see here. So after that, I think I like the way it is. Then I'll have to come down, make sure I set it as the primary menu. Okay, to display at the primary menu, and click save. So you can add as many menu as you want. You have top menu, but just add it as the primary menu. So what that is going to happen is going to stay at the top of this page. So as you can see right there, this is the menu. As you can see, home, sample page, about us. So everything is looking perfect. Okay, everything is looking perfect. So the next thing we need to do right now, the blog is almost ready. We need to start creating content, and to create content, we need to go to the back end of the website and go to posts and click on all posts. So obviously there's no post on the website. This is hello post. This normally comes with every WordPress website. So we need to delete this hello post. So we just click on trash. So it's going to trash it. So once this is trashed, we need to start adding our content. To start creating content, we just click on add new. Okay, so this add new, we need to start writing articles. We need to start writing our post, everything. So you need to give your post a name, title, and start creating the content. It's very easy to carry out. Okay, so if you have any question or you want me to talk about anything that you don't understand here, all you need to do is to tell me in the comment section, and I'll be there to answer all your questions. So I believe you get something from this video. and it's something that it's very easy to follow. Okay, so if you have any question or you're confused about anything, or I'm too fast about anything that you didn't understand, just tell me in the comment section and I'll try my possible best to answer you as fast as possible. So if you want me to make more of this kind of videos, also tell me in the comment section. Like I told you earlier on, I have links in the description below to best deals and promos on domain name, hosting, and the rest of them. So make sure to check out those links in the description below. So this is how to create a successful website or a blog using WordPress, which is very easy to create. Now you don't need a web developer or a web designer to start doing this stuff for you. So you can start creating your WordPress website or blog on the best platform available, which is WordPress. It's very easy and very fantastic to follow. So I believe you gained something from today's video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? What else do you want me to say? Please make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon beside it so that you won't miss future videos once we drop them. Okay, so guys, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll try to drop more and more videos about this stuff for you. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed.